Unplug the two fixed plugs at the bottom of the seat. Remove the elastic band. Install the seat cushion. Check the label of the seat cushion. Insert the strap buckle into the gap of the seat. Tuck the edge into the gap. Attach the inner hook underneath the seat. Insert the outer cotton strip into the gap of the seat. Pull the front rope out and pass it to the back. Install the buckle and pull the strap tight to the bottom of the seat. Remove the headrest. The side with airbag label faces outward. Squeeze out the headrest buckle from the hole. Install octagonal button. Tuck the octagonal button into the gap. Pull the octagonal button out from the back. Hook the fastening hooks under the seat. Install the headrest cover. Install into the seat. Zip up the zipper. Install armrest cover. Remove the 3 headrests at the back row. Install the seat back by threading it through the seat belt. Tuck the Velcro into the gap. Pull out the Velcro. Zip up the zipper. Stick the Velcro. Adjust the seat cover to make it fit the seat as closely as possible. Squeeze out the headrest buckle from the hole. Install the rear cushion. Insert the strap buckle into the gap of the seat. Install the buckle and tighten the straps. Hook the fastening hooks under the seat. Note the direction of the rear headrests. Push the headrest button. Stick the Velcro. Insert into the seat. Install the middle headrest. Insert into the seat.